had an image come to mind about hope and faith that I'd like to share with you as we take into meditation together. So, if you'll take a deep breath, relax your body, let go of any tension. I'd like to share this image that Spirit gave me today. So hope and faith. The image was of a tree. Not an autumn tree with leaves falling down, but a beautiful tree in spring. And the leaves reaching up to the sky was the image of hope. Turning skyward, reaching up to the sun. And the image of faith was that deep, deep root going into the ground, reaching down for nourishment. Both parts of that tree are vital. The hope bubbling up in us, the hope that keeps us looking upward, and the faith that keeps us deeply, deeply rooted. Here's what I know. Goodness is real. Goodness is powerful. The goodness in you that moves through you is a force that changes the world. There is our source of hope and faith today. As we enter the silence together, remember, the branches reach high, the roots reach deep. We are full of hope and faith. As we breathe in deeply, may hope and faith rise in us and sustain us today and always.